Welcome to this analysis video on P/Q rating for unmanned aerial vehicles, also called UAV drones. P/Q stands for Performance per Quality Rating, and it helps companies balance how fast, how far, and how capable their drones are relative to how reliable, safe, and maintainable they remain. On the screen, we will now draw a conceptual diagram showing the performance side and the quality side of our rating, and we will also write the ratio equation, so we can remember that we are comparing a weighted performance score against a quality score. Remember that this comparison keeps being repeated as both sides change, so we keep our UAVs efficient and trustworthy. Now, let's look at the performance side of the ratio. These are the numbers that fill the numerator: endurance, payload, thrust, and agility. We'll take them one by one, repeating that these factors define the drone's ability to do the mission quickly and effectively, even before we think about quality. Next, we examine the quality side of the ratio. Quality is everything that makes the drone dependable: reliability, sensor accuracy, safety redundancies, and ease of maintenance. We repeat these points because a high performance score without solid quality can quickly lead to costly incidents or downtime. Let's apply the ratio to an example. Suppose our weighted performance score is 85 and our quality index is 70. Then P over Q becomes 85 over 70, which is approximately 1.21. Because the ratio is greater than 1, it tells us performance is strong relative to quality, which means we should invest in raising quality to keep the ratio in a safe range. To recap, the P/Q rating compares weighted performance metrics against quality metrics. Performance factors include endurance, payload, and maneuverability, while quality factors cover maintenance, redundancy, sensor accuracy, and compliance. Keep repeating the balancing step. Take note of the current ratio and adjust performance or quality so that the ratio stays within acceptable bounds. That way, UAV drones remain both capable and dependable.